Tara Ramteke. I came from Delhi.
अच्छा दिल्ली से आए हैं आप?
I work as a assistant director to Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. So you would like to ask me a question or shall I speak?
मैं ये जानना चाहता हूँ कि आज धम्म दीक्षा है और जब अशोक विजयदशमी थी तब भी पूरे देश के लोग आए थे। आज भी आ रहे हैं। मेरी ताई से बात हो रही थी तो ताई ये बोल रही थी लोग तो आते हैं यहाँ पे, लेकिन बाबा साहब के विचारों को लेकर नहीं आते हैं। वहाँ स्तूप को नमन तो करते हैं, लेकिन वो जो चाहते थे, जो उनका विज़न था, वो उसको फॉलो नहीं करते।
ओके नमो बुद्धाय, जय भीम। मैं आपको बताना चाहूँगी कि हमारे all Buddhist people are becoming positive, and 10 peoples even also they are positive in all the way. 10 things we know it that the one very important thing Baba Sahib has told us to be educated and well educated. One thing. Second thing, we follow the Panchashil. Third, even also our common man who pulls the rickshaw would like to make his son or daughter well educated. Number 5, we are kind people and intelligent people. 6, we cooperate with all the people and we understand other things. So therefore, we cannot say that Baba Sahib's principles are not applying in our conduct. We are applying. And not only like that, throughout the country I work. Being a class 1 officer, I know how Buddhist people are cooperative. They work, and you go to any village and any place throughout the country, they know Baba Sahib's thoughts. Not only Buddhist people, but other people also know that because of the Buddhism, we are kind people, and they recognize it. One of the very, very thoughtful person from Kolhapur, he says, why Buddhist people within 60 years progress so kindly, so nicely, no other community progress throughout the country. It is because of the Buddhism. Baba Sahib introduced us to our grandparent in 1956. Therefore, almost all the superstitions have gone from our people. I'm talking in the majority in the terms. And well-educated people throughout the world, just like Gujaratis, Punjabis, and South Indian get together, the same way Buddhist people throughout the country, throughout the world get together. Very important thing is that there is no inferior complex among our people. We are so proud that we are Buddhist. If the person who doesn't understand we are Buddhist, we tell them that we belong to the Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar community. Mahar, so nice to tell them. And they also know it. This Nagpur has got so much importance thanks to Baba Sahib Ambedkar. We are very grateful to him. Not only he introduced us to Buddha's principle, but he has given the Buddhism to us. Especially, he has asked us for, through the Buddha, we know Anapansati and Maitri Bhavana. When morning we get up, we say that Buddha tells us that we smile. Why? Throughout the world, 3 lakh people, approximately 3 lakh people have been died. We are alive. Therefore, Buddha tells us smile. And by smiling, our 390 cells get activated on our face. So, first is that we smile because we are alive. We breathe in. While breathing in, we say that we smile. While leaving the breath out, we say we are grateful, living. Secondly, we say, Buddha tells us that, secondly, he tells us that I live in the present moment. At this moment, I live because people have got the tendency, not general people have got the tendency to either think in the past or think about the future. But because of the Buddha's teaching, we say that we live in the present moment. Third thing is that we breathe in, saying that in the present moment we live. Third thing, on the third moment, we just say, I have got brand 24 new hours. 24 new hours along in front of us. So it's so nice to be alive. We breathe in for 10 times and say, we have got brand 24 hours. Fourth thing, we say, there is no ill will for any person and any place. Like monk, Buddha tells us, go to any Charitapikave Charikang, Bhujan Hitai, Bhujan Sukhai. Make the people smile. Listen to their problems, So we say there is no, our attachment is not with any place nor any individuals. So how nice it is, my dear friend. We just think very badly about others, but here we feel kind, we feel nice to others. So thanks to Baba Saheb Ambedkar. No, I myself personally believe that the Indian Constitution is most important, but the Buddhism he introduced us, that is most important, that made us kind, smiling people. Like Parsi people, Buddhists are known for their cooperation. I'm talking about majority of them. Then fifth principle is that Lord Buddha tells us, extend your compassion for all. So we extend our compassion for all. So in that way, we feel very kind for all of them. See how kind it is, my dear friend. Since I work as an officer, class 1 officer, I know, I am known in my department that I don't, Panchashil we conduct. I will not take any money from anyone. I am known for this in my office. If you come, so please, we are so grateful. We are so grateful to all of us that because of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, we have been known in the world. The people from Nagpur, from Buddhist people are very kind. I am grateful to you, sir.
Thank
May
you.
I know your channel's name, sir?
WLBS News.
What does it mean?
We love Baba Saheb.
Oh, okay. I'm so grateful. On behalf of us, I just thank you all of you. You have given me
Thank you.
chance.
Thank
So,
you.
okay. Namo.
Okay.
Bye.
Thank you.
Jai Bhim. Jai Bhim.
Thank you so
Jai
much.
Bhim.
आप देख रहे हैं WLBS न्यूज। चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।